There is a huge buzz in the industry about the humongous opportunities of becoming an independent director or non-executive director. Aspirants who have realized the potential value of this surely wish that they do it too. But the question they have is, why Directors Institute? Aspirants at Directors Institute have a record of 100% proficiency test clearance in the first attempt itself, thanks to the profiling and filtration process that we follow. Now, getting certified is not the only thing that the Directors Institute promises you, because it is the only beginning of an exciting journey. Directors Institute has designed cutting-edge tools in collaboration with international bodies to build your individual brand in the industry. The certificate provided by Directors Institute is valid in more than 40 European countries. We also manage a cohort of like-minded industry professionals who play an important role in networking with like-minded people. We work on creating visibility around your profile and strategically placing it to increase your chances of getting on a board. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Heval Mehta from the Directors Institute World Council of Directors. To understand what are the other ways through which Directors Institute can add value to your profile, I invite you to join this exclusive webinar on everything about independent directors. See you at the webinar.